After this presentation, the audience is expected: Class A, to learn how Japan's National Police Agency started; Class B, to gain knowledge of any information about Japan's National Police Agency; and Class C, to have knowledge of how Japan's National Police Agency help our police force on its improvement.
Japan Police System. Law enforcement in Japan provided mainly by the prefectural police under the oversight or supervision of the National Police Agency. The National Police Agency is administered by the National Public Safety Commission, ensuring that Japan police are an apolitical body or a free of direct central government executive control. Historical secret of police organization. TOCO, a special hire police and investigate and control political groups and ideologies deemed to be a threat to public order. Kempeitai, or a secret police force, military police of the Imperial Japanese Army. Sila yung mga nag-i-ensure ng mga military discipline, sila din ang nag-maintain ng mga law and order, at ang mga civilian population na kanilang nasakop. Ang sunod naman ay Tokeitai, military police of the Imperial Japanese Navy. After Japan surrendered in 1945, ang trabaho ng mga police ay na-remain until na-implement yung new system and pumasa sa Diet. About 1,600 independent municipal force ang itinayo in cities, town, and sa village with 5,000 inhabitants or more, and a natural rural police is organized by prefecture. Nakokontrol daw ang civilian by ensuring and placing a police under the jurisdiction of Public Safety Commission, and kinokontrol ito ng National Public Safety Commission in office of the Prime Minister. The last is the Home Minister was abolished and pinalitan ng mababang may kapangyarihan na Minister of Home Affairs. Each commission is guaranteed the neutrality of the police by insulating the force from political pressure and to ensure the maintenance of democratic methods in police administration. So yung mission nila is panatilihin may equal treatment ang police sa political pressure para ma-maintain nila yung demokratikong pangangasiwa ng police administration. National Public Safety Commission consists the chairman who holds the rank of the minister state, and the 5-member is appointed by the prime minister with the consent of both houses of Diet, which is the lower and upper. The lower is the House of Representative and the upper is the House of Councilor. The commission operates the gabinete or cabinet, ngunit ang pagkakaisa at pakikipag-ugnayan ay pinadali ng mga miyembro ng chairman na kumakatawan nito.
So, dako naman tayo sa National Police Agency. Ang National Police Agency is the central coordinating body ng entire police system. So, what does it mean? Basically, ang National Police Agency ang gumagawa and nagde-determine ng mga general standard and policies ng organization. Ang National Police Agency din, in times of large-scale disaster, they are authorized to take command of prefectural police officers. Just a little history lang. Noong 1989, ang agency ay binubuo ng 1,100 national civil servants na nakafocus sa pag-collect ng information and pag-formulate and execute ng mga policies. They are headed by a Commissioner General. That the agency is composed of 5 bureaus: the Police Administration Bureau, Criminal Investigation Bureau, Traffic Bureau, Security Bureau, and the Regional Public Safety Bureaus. So, dako naman tayo sa different regional public safety bureaus. The first bureau is the Police Administration Bureau. Ang bureau na to is nakafocus sa police personnel, education, welfare, training, and unit inspection. So basically, nakafocus yung bureau na to sa mismong component ng agency. The second one is the Criminal Investigation Bureau. This bureau is nakafocus naman sa mga research statistics and investigation of different cases. They are especially responsible sa crime prevention. Third one is the Traffic Bureau. This generally focuses on sa mga batas trapiko. Pag sa mga lansangan, kalsada, yon. Doon napapasok yung Traffic Bureau. Fourth one is the Security Bureau. Ito naman ay nakafocus sa mga security policies. Dito napapasok yung pag-address sa issue ng mga riots, and they have police riots na responsible sa issue na yon. Dagdag na rin dito is yung mga investigation of violations of the Alien Registration Law. Ito yung mga foreigner and administration ng Entry and Exit Control Law. So, yung paglabas and pagpasok ng kung sino man sa bansa nila. Third one is the Regional Public Safety Bureaus. Ito naman is binubuo ng 7 regional police bureaus na responsible sa mga areas kung saan sila designated. Bawat isa is headed by a director and nakalocate sila sa mga major cities ng bansa. Ang main trabaho nila is to exercise necessary control and supervision over and provide support service to prefectural police within its jurisdiction. So, yung mga regional police bureaus nga, yung 7 na yon is naka-designate sila sa bawat major cities ng Japan. And to be specific, ito yung 7 regional police bureaus and their jurisdiction. So, these are the regional police bureaus. The Tohoku na ang sakop is the Omori, Iwate, Miyagi, Akita, Yamagata, and Fukushima prefectures. Second one is the Kinki na ang sakop is the Shiga, Kyoto, Osaka, Hyogo, Nara, and Wakayama prefectures. Third one is the Shikoku na ang sakop is the Tokushima, Kagawa, Ehime, and the Kochi prefectures. Fourth one is the Kanto na ang sakop is the Ibaraki, Tochigi, Gunma, Saitama, Chiba, Kanagawa, Niigata, Yamanashi, Nagano, and Shizuoka prefectures. Fifth one is the Chubu na ang sakop sa Toyama, Ishikawa, Fukui, Gifu, Aichi, and Mie prefectures. Sixth one is the Kyushu na ang sakop sa Fukuoka, Saga, Nagasaki, Kumamoto, Oita, Miyazaki, Kagoshima, and Okinawa prefectures. And the last one is the Chugoku na ang sakop sa Tottori, Shimane, Okayama, Hiroshima, and Yamaguchi prefectures. And that's the 7 regional police bureaus ng Japan's police agency.
Punta naman tayo sa Police Commission Division. Sabi nga ni Joshua, meron tayong 7 regional police bureau which is responsable sa kanilang prefecture. Ang Metropolitan Tokyo at ang Island of Hokkaido naman is hindi kasali sa regional and jurisdiction. Dahil ang Metropolitan Tokyo ay special because it's urban or maraming population yung lungsod. And Island of Hokkaido naman is because of distinctive geography or yung klima nito. Kaya ang National Police Agency ay nagpanatili ng commission or division para sa pangangailangan ng dalawang lugar na ito. Next naman is Imperial Guard. Yung Imperial Guard ay tinatag noong 1947 to provide security for the Emperor, Crown Prince, and Imperial member of the family, and also yung mga properties nito. Katulad ng Kyoto Imperial Palace which is surrounded by garden, Kyoto Imperial Palace, yun naman yung gawa sa kahoy, Katsura Imperial Villa, Soshoin Imperial Repository, and Hayama Imperial Villa. Strength. As of 2017, the National Police or NPA, the combined strength is approximately 296,700 personnel with 23,400 female officer and 13,000 female staff nationwide. Local organization. 43 prefectural Ken police forces. Next is Tokyo Metropolitan Police Forces in Tokyo. Next is 2 urban prefectural or FU police forces in Osaka and Kyoto. And 1 district police forces in Hokkaido. The National Police Agency regulate police forces. Sila din yung nagpo-provide ng funds for equipment, salaries, riot control, yung mga escort na mga duty sa mga nakakataas, internal security, mga jurisdiction cases, at sila din yung nag-establish ng mga personnel nila kung saan sila naka-station or saan sila pwedeng dumuti. Prefectural police are the prefectural level of Prefectural police are the prefectural level of law enforcement agency responsible for police, law enforcement, and public safety with each prefecture of Japan.
Koban. Pag sinabi naman natin Koban, these are substations near major transportation hubs and shopping areas. They form the first line of police response to the public. The Koban system is composed of 6,500 police boxes, or yun nga yung tinatawag nating Koban, and about 7,600 residential police boxes na ang tawag naman ay Chuzaisho. So, magkaiba ang Koban sa Chuzaisho. Ang Koban is usually tinatauhan lang ng 3 to 5 police officers, and ang sa Chuzaisho naman ay isang officer lang. Ang vigilance ng Koban at Chuzaisho ay na-maintain by standing watch in front or sitting watch inside, enabling them to respond immediately sa kahit anong incident. Outside naman ng Koban and Chuzaisho, there are patrolling on foot, by bicycle, or by car. Habang nagpapatrol sila, is nakakagain sila ng knowledge about sa topography ng place kung saan sila designated. One of the primary tasks ng Koban is to conduct twice yearly house-by-house residential survey of home in their areas. Dito, ang process naman nila is nagpapa-fill out sila ng mga form kung saan nakalagay yung mga informations about the households, their age, name, and anything about the person or kung sino man yung nasa loob ng bahay. They also get informations about those who are senior citizens and mga mag-isa lang sa bahay para alam nila kung sino yung mga may kailangan ng special attentions. Pati yung time ng pag-uwi ng bawat membro ng pamilya is inaalam din nila para aware sila kung sino-sino yung mga dadaan sa ganitong oras at kung sino pa yung hindi pa. Yun ang Koban.
Dito naman tayo sa Riot Police. Tokyo Police Prefectural Level Police Department maintain Kidotai or yung Special Riot Units. Ito ay nabuo noong 1952 nang magkaroon ng kaguluhan sa Imperial Palace. Sila din ang mga tumutugon sa mga kaguluhan sa paligid, which is the public disturbance or the crowded places like rally. Sila din yung nagpapahinto ng kaguluhan. Tsaka yung mga katulad ng festival period, which is madaming tao, baka magkagulo. Sila din yung nagme-maintain doon. Tsaka yung mga police natin na regular, sila din yung nag-maintain ng mga duties nila. Yung mga riot police daw natin ay mga disiplinado, tsaka yung mga riot police natin is nagsuot ng uniform, which is the helmet, yung mga protective equipment nila, yung mga shield, tsaka yung armored, and nagdadala din sila ng mga water cannons and armored bands.
Dumako naman tayo sa Special Police. Maikli lang naman ang Special Police. Ang Special Police is responsible sa mga matters like forest preservation, narcotics control, fishery inspection, and enforcement of regulations on maritime, labor, and mine safety. So, what does it mean? Ang special police is they are the police na nakafocus sa different areas. Parang katulad nga na nasabi kanina sa drugs, narcotics control, pati yung safety sa mga maritime and mining. Doon sila nakafocus pag special force or special police. And pag special operations naman, ang National Police Agency ay meron ding counter-terrorist unit na tinatawag nilang Special Assault Team. So, yung Special Assault Team na yon is, sila naman is nakafocus sa mga counter-terrorist na mga bagay sa mga teroristang papasok sa bansa nila. Ranks ng Japan's National Police System. The highest rank is the Commissioner General. In Japanese term is the Keisatsucho Choukan. This is the chief of the National Police Agency. Second in the line is the Superintendent General, na ang Japanese term is Keishi Sokan. Ito naman is chief of the Tokyo Metropolitan Police Department. Third one is the Senior Commissioner. In Japanese term is the Keishikan. He is the Deputy Commissioner General, Deputy Superintendent General, the Chief of Regional Police Bureau, and the Chief of Prefectural Police Headquarters. Fourth one is the Commissioner, na ang Japanese term is Keishicho. Ito naman yung Chief of Prefectural Police Headquarters. The fifth one is the Assistant Commissioner. Japanese term is Keishisei. Ito naman is the Chief of Police Station. Next is the Superintendent. Japanese term is Keishi. Ito naman yung Chief of Police Station, small or middle, the Vice Commanding Officer of Police Station, and Commander of Riot Police Unit. Next is the Chief Inspector. Japanese term is Keibu. Siya naman yung Squad Commander of Police Station and leader ng Riot Company. Next is the Inspector. The Japanese term is the Keibuho, na ang kanya naman is siya naman ay Squad Sub-Commander of Police Station and leader rin siya ng Riot Platoon. Next is the Police Sergeant. Japanese term is Jun Sabucho. Siya naman is Field Supervisor and leader ng Police Box. Next one is the Senior Police Officer or the Jun Sacho. This is the honorary rank of police officers. And the last one is the police officer or the Junsa in Japanese term. Ito naman yung prefectural police officers careers start from this rank. Kadagdagan lang, the National Police Agency Commissioner General holds the highest position ng Japanese police. His title is not a rank, is not actually the rank, but rather denotes his position as head of the NPA. On the other hand, the MPD Superintendent General represents not only the highest rank in the system, but also assignment as head of the Tokyo Metropolitan Police Department.
Ang sumunod naman ay condition of service. Recruitment and promotion is heavily influenced by education. So, yung mga entrance exam is administered by prefecture, which is divided into two, which is the upper secondary school graduates and the university graduates. Recruitments under rigorous training 1 year for upper secondary school, and yung mga 6 months for university graduate is recital as police academy. Para naman sa mga basic trainings, dito mga nakasign mostly yung mga police officer to local police boxes called Kobans. So, para daw mapatas yung rango mo is kailangan mong dumaan sa examination at mga rinirequire nilang trabaho. Tapos daw yung mga may university graduates na is pwede na silang mag-take ng exam for Assistant Police Inspector, Police Inspector, and Superintendent after shorter period than the upper school graduates, which is mag-undergo pa sila ng mga exam, trainings, There are usually 5 to 15 examinees for each opening. Police forces are regulated by the National Public Safety Commission, who often defer to their decision but are also held accountable for civil and criminal prosecutions. Dako naman tayo sa public communication relation. Despite legal limitation on police jurisdiction, citizens view them as authority. Kinikilala ng mga mamamayan ng kanilang bansa ang police as may authority at figure of for aid, which is yung mahihinga ng tulong katulad ng settling ng family, pag may nag-aaway, sa mga kabataan, mahihinga ng payo, tsaka yung mga maliliit na alitan, which is sila yung mamamagitan dito. Madalas na nalalapitan ang mga pulis pag humingi ng tulong katulad sa mga direksyon, saan pupunta, sa inyong hotel na ganon, sa inyong kalye na ganon, yung mga unnamed, di familiar, which is sabi ng kanilang nakakataas is gawin nila yung pagsagot upang maging inspirasyon sa kanilang sa komunidad para magkaroon ng tiwala ang mga tao sa mga kapulisan.
So, dumako naman tayo sa 4 elements of Japan's community system. The first element of Japan's community system is the community-based crime prevention. So, anong neto, sakop nito? So, kapag sinabi natin community-based crime prevention, it means na nagtutulungan yung police and the community to attain peace na gusto nila. So, paano yon? Nagpapalitan ng information ang bawat isa para magkaroon ng knowledge sa iba't ibang bagay na related sa crime prevention. Ayun lang naman yung pinaparating ng community-based crime prevention. So, sa second one is the reorientation of patrol activities. Kapag sinabi natin reorientation of patrol activities, dito na sa element naman na ito papasok yung dahilan kung bakit merong police activities. Sinasabi lang sa element na to na ang police activities is relevant simply because they know na makakapag-ambag sila sa pag-resolve ng mga problems and issues na kinakaharap ng isang community. The third one is the increased accountability to the public. Police and community are co-producers of an orderly society. So, parang kaparehas lang to ng sa community-based crime prevention na nagkakaroon ng palitan ng information and nagkakaroon ng bigayan ng suggestions to have an effective strategies sa pag-attain ng peace. The fourth one is the decentralization of command. Ang Japanese police officers ay mayroong greater discretion or sinasabi nating decision making sa pag-develop ng mga responses na gagamitin nila to address the issue sa isang community. This element enhances the police community cooperation. So, ayun. Ang 4 elements ng Japan's community system is first one, community-based crime prevention. Second, reorientation of patrol activities. Third, the increased accountability to the public. The last one is the decentralization of command. How did Japan's National Police Agency help our police force? Adopting and getting new information and techniques is one of the primary works of police force. With this, I can say that Japan's National Police Agency help our police force by showing and giving them ideas that can improve policing. One of the example is the police boxes or the Koban. Japan's National Police Agency has known for its police boxes that is designated in many areas to be able to respond quickly in any incident. Our police force adapted in this policing technique and police boxes can be seen here in the Philippines. To top it all, Japan's National Police Agency really helped our police force to establish its capability of adjusting and adapting to the current era. As for our conclusion, we can say that from the history of Japan's National Police Agency up to the present, its purpose didn't waver at all. That's why Japan is known for its low crime rate condition. Before we end this presentation, we will just be having a really short quiz. So, let's begin.
Round 2.
That's it. That's the National Police Agency. Again, I am John Joshua Batalier, and
Shane Bendo.